Okay, on 15, a high school choir is doing a car wash fundraiser. Yeah, that's awesome. The number of car wash varies directly with the amount of money the choir earns. If it says this, it's proportional. This is what you did all in junior high, but they didn't. In junior high, it would be the number of cars washed is proportional with the amount of money. Now they use varies directly. So all we're going to do is set up a proportion. Okay, and we know we're going to have cars washed, and we know we're going to have the amount of money. So right down here, I'm going to put cars over money. Okay, so the choir washed 30 cars. That goes on top, and they raised $150. That goes on bottom. Equals the 45 is the cars, and then I don't know how much money it is. That's X, right? Okay, so when we get here in junior high, you did the bat and the ball, didn't you? You did 45 times 150 divided by 30. That's what you're going to do, okay? In high school, they're going to want you to cross multiply. So we're going to do 30 times X and get 30X equals 45 times 150. Let me calculate that out real quick. Where's my calculator? Can't find that calculator real quick. Hold on. Get my telephone. 45 times 150, 6,750. And then we divide both sides by 30, right? This is how you show it algebraically. So X would end up being, divided by 30, $225. Okay, in junior high, you just had to circle this and just multiply and divide it. In high school, they're going to want you to show this step here. Okay. Okay, so right here, we're going to go to the next one. Okay, it has varies directly, right? So we're going to set up a proportion. And what are we going to have? The wages and the number of hours. Okay, the wage he earns is proportional with the number of hours. So I'm going to have wage, or his money, over his hours, aren't I? Okay, so I'm going to make a proportion, and I'm going to put 25 hours will go on the bottom, and then $200 goes on top, and then 35 hours, right? So I'm going to put 35 right here. And then I do not know what this is, right? Now then I'm going to cross multiply and divide, right? So basically we're going to multiply these and divide. I'm going to multiply 200 times 35, and that's 7,000, I believe, equals 25x. So I'm going to take 7,000 and divide it by 25, and I get 280, don't I? So if I divide this by 25, I would get x equals 280.